will push the Ripple price to a new all-time high. Why is Elon Musk supports Ripple and why Monday could be crucial for XRP? Watch the video until the end to find out. But first, at the end of the month, we're giving away 50 XRP coins. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what you think about XRP. Hello again, XRP Army. Let's grow the XRP Lab community by pressing the like button and subscribing to this channel to stay updated at all times. As Ripple pursues a lawsuit against the cryptocurrency startup, it has finally gotten the Securities and Exchange Commission to agree to give it documents that Ripple says could show what the SEC thinks about crypto. This decision comes after both sides fought in court for months. This lawsuit, which is about whether or not XRP should be considered a security, is still being closely watched because it could set a new legal standard that will apply to the whole sector. The leaders of the crypto powerhouse celebrated their win by lashing out at the regulator, who was at this point seen as the industry's biggest rival. During the time that the commission was preparing its legal challenge against Ripple, Hinman was part of the Security and Exchange Commission's team of leaders. Ripple insisted that the commission give them not only the emails, but also any other relevant records about how the Hinman speech was handled internally. The Securities and Exchange Commission did not agree to that demand, and they filed an appeal against a federal court's order that they do what was asked of them. It's not clear what, if any, effect the new information will have on the case, which is likely to last until the beginning of the next year. Former Commission Regional Director in San Francisco Mark Fecal, who later went into the private sector and represented clients in the cryptocurrency industry, said that the regulator took an aggressive approach to protect the privacy of its internal discussions. He said that these talks have nothing to do with the legal issues in the Ripple case. But the fact that it fights so hard to keep them hidden shows that there may be something harmful or embarrassing in what do you think? Following the news of Ripple XRP getting access to Hinman speech documents, there is speculation of the XRP price jump. All of the evidence shows that Ripple was right to decide to win the case. Even so, when the news came out, the price of XRP did not go up by a large amount. People who know a lot about cryptocurrencies are now optimistic that the altcoin's price could go up a lot. A crypto enthusiast Forever Hold expressed the belief that success in the Security and Exchange Commission lawsuit may result in a price increase of 10 times for XRP. In June 2018, XRP hit its all-time high of $3.02. Since it hit its all-time high, the price of XRP has been steadily going down. It is uncertain at this moment whether or not the conclusion of the lawsuit brought by the Securities and Exchange Commission will propel the XRP to a new all-time high. On the other hand, some people in the community think that the price of XRP would only go up if it was successful and not because of the lawsuit. Until then, the lawyer for XRP is still sure that the commission won't be able to make a decision on the matter. Instead, the court may let a jury decide what happened in the XRP case based on the facts. The cryptocurrency market has been moving in lockstep with broader macroeconomic trends over the last several months. The market was being put under a lot of negative pressure, which hurt other cryptocurrency markets as well. It's not clear yet whether or not a change in how much the Fed plans to raise rates will make the cryptocurrency market better in the future. Since Friday, when some good news came out, the price of XRP has been steadily going up. What do you think, and how much of a rise do you think there will be? Elon Musk, the wealthiest man in the world, gave his backing to Ripple chief executive officer in his response, which consisted of just 2 words. Musk voiced his disagreement with the Securities and Exchange Commission and his support for XRP. We know that Elon Musk has had problems with the Securities and Exchange Commission in the past. In the past, he has been criticized for his tweets by the agency in charge of securities. It's also looking at Musk's most recent contract with Twitter. The lawyers for Elon Musk said that the commission's move was a gag order from the government. Some lawyers who work in the cryptocurrency field think that the commission may throw more fits in response to Hinman's speech. In an email, a lawyer for Web3 Jesse Hines said that if the hints and emails are as bad as we are hearing, they should be thrown out. I wouldn't be surprised if the commission's next step was to blame Hinman for going rogue and say that his actions don't change the status of XRP. Also, Jeremy Hogan, an attorney who is active in the XRP community and a member of the Ripple community, has given some very interesting insights into the ongoing dispute between Ripple and the SEC. According to his explanation, the court received secret reply papers from both parties yesterday in response to the summary judgment motions that were submitted by the other party. These were intended to be kept secret from the public until Monday, when they were due to be released. But the company that specializes in financial technology just put out its 89-page response brief a few hours ago. And you're going to be surprised. Ripple is not arguing the fair notice defense. Rather, it is arguing that the fair notice defense is a question of fact that ought to be tried by a jury. Hogan also said something about the situation on Twitter. He said that Ripple lawyers are making a reference to the case of Reebok versus the Security and Exchange Commission. In the document, Ripple also says that the commission has to prove that there is no real factual dispute and that all reasonable inferences must be made in favor of the defendants for the petition for summary judgment that the commission has filed. It is up to the Security and Exchange Commission to do this. Since this is the case, Ripple's lawyers thinks that summary judgment should be turned down because the commission didn't show proof for each of its accusations. In the Ripple case, there is still the question of whether or not the commission can make a comeback. In the letter, the commission said that the information presented demonstrates beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendants participated in unregistered offers and sales of securities. It was also said that Ripple had admitted in a roundabout way that they would fail the Howey test. On the other hand, the commission said that the defendants' argument, even though it seems to be unique, has no basis in fact. The accused person's fake test isn't based on anything in the law. In this case, the law is on the side of the commission. Two phrases from Howey that were taken apart and put back together to make a new test are not enough to support the whole defendant's motion, which got the attention of the U.S. Commission. It also said that the statement from Ripple and the defendants completely ignores the large number of public pledges to help make XRP more valuable and easier to buy and sell. Ripple is not based on the testimony of fact witnesses. Instead, it is based on the testimony of the experts who worked for the defendants. But the Dalbert decision says that these experts can't take part. The facts have nothing to do with the question. So, their motion for summary judgment doesn't have enough evidence to support it. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and let us know what you think about XRP in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk again in the next video. Before you leave, there are 2 more videos for you to watch at the end of this one. Be sure to keep an eye on those. Have a good one.